Most people think that canvas tents are a trade-off. You trade carrying heavy weights and grueling setups to gain comfort and durability. What if you could have the bomb-proof confidence of canvas combined with the weight and the frictionless setup of a modern tent? This is the DYNADUCK Prota 10x14. It takes the legendary spring rod cabin formula that's been a gold standard in canvas tents for decades, and they've modernized every single pain point. Everything from the frame that won't break your back to a stove jack, which is actually a first for this tent category. This isn't just a tent. It's basically a portable base camp that's designed for the way that people want to camp these days. Hey y'all, my name is Adam and I'm from the Dad Camps YouTube channel where I talk about camping, gear, and getting outside with your kids. But today I'm out here with DYNADUCK Outdoors trying out the new version of the Prota 10x14. I'm excited to show you guys all the new features. I'm gonna talk about each one, tell you what they've improved about the new version, and tell you why I think this thing is so awesome. So let's talk a little bit about why this tent needed a modernization. For a long time, if you wanted to have a spring bar cabin tent, you were gonna be carrying around super heavy steel poles, usually a floor that felt like it was made out of recycled truck tires, and the overall package you're hauling around is easily north of 100 pounds. The Prota 10x14 changes that narrative. It's about 70 pounds total in weight, significantly lighter than the steel framed predecessors, but we're still talking about 140 square feet of room you can actually lift into your truck without needing to work out first. So part of the magic in how they did this was they swapped out the old school poles for a T6 aluminum pole. Much lighter, still plenty sturdy. So they engineered all the heavy components from the ground up, and you still get a solid 6'6" center height inside the tent. So just for reference, you can see I'm 6'2". You can see there's still a significant amount of headroom here. Even as I get off to the side of the tent, still plenty of room for me to stand up straight. They also swapped out this floor for a significant change. It used to be a 16-ounce PVC floor. It was bulletproof for sure, but it was heavy and massive and hard to move around. So they moved to this 7.5-ounce polyurethane floor. Still plenty tough, way lighter. Still exactly the same waterproofing that you need, structural integrities, but a fraction of the thickness and the weight. And around the door, you asked and DYNADUCK listened. They now did away with the traditional Velcro bottom of the door and instead installed these heavy-duty military-grade YKK zippers, which can securely attach and strongly secure the bottom of your door flap. And by the way, YKK zippers on every door and window. But that's not even the most exciting part, you guys. I gotta tell you about this roof. This roof is built with a sunblock silver coating. So unlike standard canvas, this actually reflects the heat and the light off the top. They say it keeps you about 20% cooler and darker. But let me tell you guys, I'm out here in the midday sun and this feels super dark to me in here. So this is perfect for camping with kids, to be able to get naps, to be able to sleep in. It's gonna stay darker longer in the morning. I mean, it still only feels like morning twilight in here and it's noon outside. I mean, look how much brighter it is when I step outside. Oh gosh, woo! And check this out, right here, this is where the Prota really pulls away. This outer window mesh unzips, and inside you got a ready-made, pre-molded stove jack. It's got 2 thread lines there, depending on the size of your chimney. It's pre-measured for you to cut along the thread line there. But that's something that makes this tent amazing because it's got winter versatility. In the past, if you wanted to have a stove in the spring rod tent, you would have to cut a stove jack yourself and kind of hope for the best. The Prota is the only tent of this style on the market that features a built-in stove jack by default. So whether you want to have a fall hunting camp or a snowy getaway with your family, you can run a wood stove safely in here. So basically it transforms this thing from a summer cabin to a true 4-season shelter. And it's just baked in, no need with hassling with modifications or extra expensive parts. One of the biggest complaints about the canvas tent is the stake apocalypse. Previously, the Prota used to take 20 stakes to hold it up. Now they've redesigned it, whittled that down. And now you're looking at a 12 stake setup for the core structure. So now with the aluminum poles, the lighter floor, less stakes, the friction of the setup is basically gone. It's not that much harder to set this up. Basically, you can go from unboxing it to unwinding it in about 15 minutes. Oh, and don't think I wasn't going to talk about the most important part. This is a new DYNATEC material, which is lighter, but has been tested to have a higher strength, effectively reducing the overall weight of the tent while improving performance. It is lighter and breathable, but still waterproof, with absolutely no plastic bag condensation feeling inside. So who's this tent for? Obviously, you're not taking this thing backpacking, but you want to have some extra room for your kids to play when it's raining, or maybe a festival goer thinking Burning Man here seems ideal for that. Keeps you cool when you're exposed out in the hot sun. Or, like I said, the 4-season adventurer, some weight of a traditional wall tent. So those are the upgrades on the Prota. Pretty amazing tent. I am super excited to get out on some more adventures with it, because at the end of the day, your experience is going to be way better if you're not fighting your gear. Honestly, this is one of the most refined versions of the canvas tent that I've ever seen. So go check out the link in the description to shop for yours. Huge thanks to White Duck for the collab. If you want to check out dad camps, you can go subscribe below. Get yours and get yourself out there and go have some fun.